We're walking into apartment 201 at 229 Marengo Avenue. Coat closet on our left as we walk in. And let's turn left here, and we're going to take a look at the living room. Really good size. And to our left is the dining area. And to the left again is quite a nice kitchen. Good counter space, fridge, stove, good cabinet space. Nice cozy kitchen. As we walk over to the living room, we're going to take a look, out through the balcony. And this unit has the largest balconies of any unit in the building. You can see how large it is and goes right around the corner. Close the window, it's a little chilly today. And we're going to go down the hallway. We have a closet here on the right, a closet straight ahead, and to the right hand side we have a nice spacious bathroom, good storage, room to turn around, which in some bathrooms pretty hard to find. And directly to our left is the bedroom. Good space for queen-size bed and side tables, dressers, and a closet that's really generous. I'd say it's about the triple the width of a usual closet. And as we're going back out, take a final look at the living room. And as you know, we're located in downtown Forest Park. Walk to the green line, walk to the blue line, a couple of Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, everything very convenient. Give us a call, 773-658-9555. We'd love to give you a private tour.